Meaning of hoisin.
hoisin,
Hoisin.
hoisin,
Hoisin. Hoisin is a thick, fragrant sauce commonly used in Chinese cuisine as a condiment and marinade. The name comes from the Cantonese word for seafood, but the sauce itself typically does not contain any seafood ingredients. Instead, hoisin sauce is made from a combination of soybeans, garlic, vinegar, chili peppers, and often sweeteners like sugar or honey. The resulting sauce has a savory, slightly sweet flavor and pairs well with a variety of dishes, including stir-fries, barbecue meats, and dipping sauces.